Dear friends, I am deeply saddened and upset to see so many of our students meeting with accidents. There are several reasons. Many of the times there is no fault with us. But friends, please note life is precious. Please think of somebody who loves and who cares for you, who is concerned about you. Please follow all the norms and rules with zero tolerance. The rules such as wearing the helmet, maintaining the speed limits, not more than 2 persons sitting on the bike, maintaining the gap while driving the vehicles, wearing the belts while driving the cars. So many rules which are very, very important. Friends, I always feel that as students, why do we need bikes and cars? The college bus and the public transport would cater to all our needs. Why are we required to go for long night drives? In this phase, academics is the only priority onto which we need to work. Friends, we wish you should grow and you should be successful in your life, achieve something, and make your parents, your friends, your guardians, and us happy. Please don't shatter our dreams. Take care of yourself, follow the rules, and be happy.
This may be due to the negligence of the students who are driving or others on the road. Ultimately, we are responsible for our safety and our life. I request all the students to follow the traffic rules, drive safely, and wear helmets while riding the two-wheelers. Life is precious. Take care of it. Remember that there are many expectations from you, from not only from the institute, your parents, and society at large. Take care of yourself once again.
So it's a small initiative from our teachers' side that safety measures are extremely important when you're driving on the roads. Please see to it that you wear your helmets, do not cross the speed limits. See, in the past 8 days, two of the GIT students have lost their precious lives, and it's a great loss to GIT as well as the society and the parents at large. So a kind, humble request from the teachers that please maintain safety measures while driving.
I wish to give some tips to the students. I expect the students to wear helmets during driving, avoid rash driving and overtaking, avoid mobiles while driving, never consume alcohol. All students are advised to use college bus, avoid unwanted movements. Hostelites are advised to abide by the rules of the institute regarding the timing. Also, we need to create awareness regarding the need for the bypass and the flyover in the city, speed limit and the traffic rules and regulations, and restricting the heavy vehicles in the city limits. Whatever may be the reason for the accidents, it is we who have to take extreme care instead of blaming the others. I wish you will take care of yourself.
Life is the most precious gift of God. Live it, enjoy it, be safe, drive safely.
So it is my sincere appeal to all of you to drive the vehicles safely at normal speeds, protecting yourself, protecting the public. Once again I appeal you to drive safely, reach your destinations safely, do well for yourself, do well for the public.
Life is precious, drive safely.
All the students of this reputed college to lead a disciplined life. Disciplined life means have sufficient amount of time before you leave to college, and after the college drive home carefully. Due to the bad road conditions and all the constraints of road traffic, I would advise all students to drive carefully and see that they reach home safely. On this particular occasion, I would like to inform them that driving with safety concerns has become prime importance, and please all of you follow traffic guidelines and drive carefully.
Automatically we are taking care of each and everybody who is around you or who is caring and who is maybe parents or your friends or whoever. Automatically we are taking care of each and everybody. That's why this is the message from HOD IP, that take care of yourselves.
I request the students to drive safely, follow the transport rules. At the same time, even though it is not compulsory, all are supposed to wear the helmets.